Welcome back to English Podcast Academy. No matter where you live, learning English is simple with us. You don't need to feel stressed because step by step, it becomes a natural part of your life. Every video here is designed to help you listen, repeat, and improve your fluency slowly and naturally. Before we start, let's think about one simple question. How can you practice English every single day? Many people believe they need hours of study, books, or classes. But the truth is different. Even 10 to 15 minutes of consistent practice can change the way you listen and speak. The key is not big effort once a week, but small effort every day. Just like brushing your teeth or drinking water, you can make English part of your daily routine. So let's ask the next question. What is shadowing? Shadowing is a method where you listen to English and repeat it at the same time. Imagine someone is walking in front of you and you walk right behind them step by step. That is what shadowing is for language. You follow the sound, the rhythm, the pronunciation, and little by little, your own steps become stronger. Shadowing trains your ear, your tongue, and your memory all at once. Let's try shadowing right now. I will say a sentence slowly. You repeat after me. I am learning English. Shadowing helps me speak better. My English is improving every day. Excellent. Now let's do it a little faster. I am learning English. Shadowing helps me speak better. My English is improving every day. Why does shadowing work so well? Because your brain and your mouth are connected. When you hear, repeat, and move your mouth, your brain remembers better. Reading silently is good, but it's passive. Shadowing is active. You train your speaking muscles just like training your legs when you run. At first, it may feel strange, but with practice, you will notice your words coming out more easily. Shadowing also helps with intonation, the music of English. You begin to sound more natural because you copy the rhythm you hear. If you want to improve, listening must become a daily habit. It doesn't need to be long. 10 minutes is enough. Imagine you listen to English while walking to school, while drinking coffee, while cleaning your room. Your brain collects the sounds. Slowly, you begin to recognize words without thinking. Just like hearing your favorite song again and again, your ear remembers the melody. So, tip 1 is simple. Listen to English every single day. Tip 2 is shadowing itself. Don't only listen, but copy. Say it out loud. Even if your pronunciation is not perfect, keep going. Remember, a child does not speak perfectly the first time. They copy again and again until it becomes natural. You can do the same. Repeat the rhythm, repeat the words, and your confidence will grow. Now, let's move to tip 3. Think in English. Many learners always translate in their head. They hear something, they translate it to their language, then they think, then they answer. This takes too much time. Instead, start small. Look around your room and say to yourself in English, "This is my chair. The window is open. I am drinking tea." These little thoughts make English automatic. The more you think in English, the faster your sentences come when you speak. Tip 4 is reading aloud. Take a short text, maybe even this transcript, and read it out loud. When you hear your own voice in English, you train your pronunciation and build confidence. Reading silently is good for understanding, but reading aloud is training for speaking. Even 5 minutes a day can change the way you sound. Tip 5 is to surround yourself with English. Change your phone or computer settings to English. Listen to English music, podcasts, or short videos. Place sticky notes on objects in your room with their English names: mirror, table, lamp. The more you live with English, the more natural it feels. Think of it like swimming. If you want to swim well, you must be in the water often. If you want to speak English well, you must be inside the language often. Now let's go deeper. Here are 5 easy ways to make English part of your daily life. The first way is writing a short diary. Every night, write 2 or 3 sentences about your day. For example, I went to the park. I ate pasta. I felt happy. It's simple, but powerful. Over time, you will see how many words you can already use. The second way is recording your voice. Use your phone and record 1 or 2 sentences in English. The next day, listen again. You will hear your mistakes, but also your progress. After 1 month, you will be surprised at how much better you sound. The third way is joining an online English group or community. It can be a forum, a Facebook group, or even the comments under a YouTube video. Write small comments like, "I enjoyed this video," or "This story was nice." Little by little, you become comfortable writing in English. The fourth way is watching short videos and repeating the sentences. Short videos are easy to follow, and repeating them is a form of shadowing. You don't need to understand everything. Just copy the sound, and with time, the meaning becomes clear. So, let's finish today's practice. Remember, learning English is not about doing one big thing once. It's about doing small things every day. Listen for 10 minutes, shadow 1 short story, write 2 sentences in a diary, read aloud for 5 minutes. These are small steps, but they are powerful. Step by step, you build fluency. Step by step, English becomes part of you. Playlists are already prepared for you, so you don't need to think. Just choose one and press play. Let English enter your ears and your life every single day. You are not alone in this journey. Every small effort is progress, and every day you listen, you are 1 step closer to fluency. I'll see you in the next video.